So if I were to go around and move around this particular camera right here, you can see that I can move it freely right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want the camera to focus on a particular layer right here. Let's say, for example, I want it to focus on this particular layer right here. So the layer name is SSS right now right here, and that is what I need to remember. So over here, if I were to go around and click on camera, over here on the left hand side, you can see that alignment is an option. So you need to go around and click right here and choose towards layer right here. Once you do that, you can see the alignment layer and you can choose the layer that you want to align it to. And once you do that, what happens is that it has been aligned onto this particular shape, this particular layer. So if I were to go around and move this, now you can see that the camera actually focuses on that particular layer, no matter where it is placed. I can also go around and move this right here, zoom in and zoom out right here. And even if I were to go around and then let's say, for example, zoom in and zoom out right here, move this around, it focuses on that particular layer right here. I can also go around over here under transform, and here you can see that there's the position right here, there's the orientation as you can see right here. So if I were to go around on the orientation, you can see that it does move away from the object, but apart from that, if I were to go around over here and change around the position, you can see that it focuses on that particular layer right there. So now if I were to go around and change it out to let's say, for example, water, then what happens is that it focuses on the layer behind right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and move this, you can see that as I move around the layer, the camera follows it out right here. And if I were to go around and select out, let's say, for example, the target right here from water to, let's say, for example, this one, you can go around and move this out front and back, as you can see, just like this over here. And that is how you can go around and work around with camera alignment towards layer inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.